So this Web Authoring Software 101 is a slideshow talking about the same stuff we talked about at the beginning, but just shown in a... And then we have important for your assignment is this creating a web HTML. So there is a PowerPoint here that is going to show this in the demo, but it's in a PowerPoint format. So it may be easier for you to come back to reference here. And what this does is it kind of talks you through, here's what a tag is, here's what a comment is. It helps you, if it's easier to read than to watch back the video of the same things we looked at as we were changing my web page. And then more information, if you want to get fancy with your assignment, just, speaking to you, you want to learn some more, whole bunch of stuff there. The 2 assignments this week. One is actually making a web page. So use whatever software you want. I was using ++. And what do I want to see in that page? I'm going to look for a title in your title tag. That from quarantine wrenching to CIS105, I want to see that you change that title. You using a header tag. I want to see that you embedded a YouTube video. I want to see a table. I want a link to something other than the YouTube video. I didn't show you exactly how to do a link. A really, really useful resource is W3 Schools. So let's open this up real quick. So you're looking at this. Okay. I need to put a hyperlink on my assignment, but I wasn't shown how to do that. And this website is really awesome. It shows you exactly how to do anything you want to do. So looking at our table of contents here, HTML links. What does this do? It shows you how to put a link into your website. So just to see how that works, you can take the code right from here. We're going to come back to my website that we were working on, and we're going to drop a link in at so I save that, I reload. Now my link is, when I click on it, it takes me out to that other website. So make sure that whatever link you put has something with your website. Put an image in there, and then remember you have to have, so make sure you upload that image to Canvas as well. Use the paragraph tag, and I want to see one list. Your choice if it's an ordered or unordered list. If you want to get fancy, you can change the text style. If you want to get fancy, you can change the background. Make sure you submit your code as HTML, and you submit the image also up to Canvas. To get started, you can actually download the code and the 2 pictures that in today's class, and that same code is here. Totally fine with you using that as a starting point. Changes to make it yours. One thing when you're saving it, make sure you do a save as. And depending on what type of editor you have, you'll either have to say all types, or it may give you an for HTML, but no matter what, it needs to be saved as you know, this one was about headlights, right? So I would headlights.html. And I'm also going as just headlights.text. And let's take a look at the difference between those. So coming back to when I open up headlights.html, my computer knows that's a website. It pops it in the web browser exactly as it should. I saved it with the right file type. If I don't save it as HTML, if I just save it as a text file, my computer just gives me a code that's not a website. That's not what I'm getting for. So just make sure when you submit it to Canvas, you have it as a website. And here's exactly what I'll be grading you on. We have a web authoring software quiz. That's going to come from the first part of class today when we were talking about for static websites and the different types of web authoring software.